BMW HP4 RACE is a track-focused race-oriented machine built to the last from top to bottom. Official tagline, maximized to the essentials. Engine is a 999cc water, oil-cooled 4-cylinder 4-stroke inline motor. 4 titanium valves per cylinder, 2 overhead racing camshafts, milled oil sump, anchor connecting rod, precision balanced and lightened crankshaft with electronic racing injection, variable intake pipe length and 4 selectable modes mated to 6-speed constant mesh gearbox racing transmission, Evo, with straight cut gears nestled inside a carbon monocoque RTM frame with steering head angle and swing arm pivot adjustment, load-bearing engine, it develops. Maximum power of 215 HP at 13,900 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 120 Newton meters at 10,000 revolutions per minute. It got a seat height of 831 mm, fuel tank capacity is around 17.5 liters. Front suspension is Ohlins FTR 300 WSPK fork, adjustable rebounding compression state damping, adjustable spring preload, Ohlins ST052 adjustable steering damper, rear suspension aluminum WSPK spring arm, Ohlins TTX36JP central spring strut, adjustable rebounding compression state damping, adjustable spring preload, exhaust muffler Akrapovic full titanium 4 2-in-1 WSPK exhaust system. Dry weight is around 146 kg thanks to alternator that produces 406 watt to manage lots of electronics. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.